This is a laptop, and today I'm going to show you guys where.com. Let's go on up to W. I can type fast it, but it's not slow. Let's type in Ohio zip code. Come on, dumb thing. Now, let's go see here. Oh my god. Feels like 13. That's what it feels like outside right now. Although that today, Florida South overhand again. Oh no. I think it should be outside. I don't know about my DVD night, so. But when we get Florida's outside, we did have that in mind. But once we do, I'm gonna record again if we do. Okay.